This presentation analyzes AdDaddy's current market position, brand equity, and growth opportunities within the digital marketing industry. Using market research, SWOT analysis, and Keller's brand equity pyramid, key opportunities and challenges impacting the brand were identified. These findings informed a series of strategic recommendations focusing on strengthening customer engagement, brand equity, and long-term competitive positioning within the finance broker market. Analysis identified several strengths currently supporting AdStudy's position within the market. AdStudy demonstrated strong pre-existing capabilities in paid advertising, lead generation, and social media management across multiple platforms. Unlike more established competitors in the finance industry, AdStudy offers a more personalized and relationship-focused approach, which is particularly valuable within the highly relationship-based industry. However, the analysis also identified challenges the business must consider before moving forward. The digital marketing industry is becoming increasingly competitive due to a rapid growth in AI, automation, and change in social media algorithms. Additionally, AdStudy's strong focus on the niche finance industry may result in a limited customer base and heavy competition from well-established brands within the industry. Despite these challenges, the analysis identified strong opportunities for growth. According to IAB Australia, Australia's digital advertising industry continues to expand, with internet advertising expenditure reaching 11.5% year on year to approximately $18.4 billion in 2025. There is a rapidly growing reliance on digital marketing to strengthen online trust, credibility, and lead generation within the highly competitive finance broking industry. Maintaining consistent branding across multiple social media platforms can also strengthen long-term brand recognition and trust, helping AdStudy build a stronger brand awareness and more relevance within the industry. The analysis also explored AdStudy's brand equity using Keller's brand equity pyramid. AdStudy is building its brand salience through its multi-platform social media presence and founder-led branding, which helps strengthen awareness and relevance within the finance industry. AdStudy also demonstrates strong brand performance through measurable lead generation and digital growth strategies aligned with finance broker needs. Higher levels of the pyramid highlighted the importance of brand imagery and customer relationships. As finance services are highly trust-based, AdStudy's personalized communication style and educational content may strengthen customer perceptions of credibility, professionalism, and expertise. This can strengthen customer loyalty, retention, and overall long-term competitive positioning within the growing digital marketing industry.
Alright, so for the first conclusion, which is for the social media presence, based on the SWOT analysis, AdStudy has currently an opportunity to grow their digital presence through having a strong online brand visibility. AdStudy will be able to strengthen their long-term customer acquisition. The brand excellence pyramid highlight that the customer's perception on the brand is the key factor, emphasizing the need for a focus on the social media marketing. With a growth in digital marketing competition, brands that perceive themselves as a specialized and result-driven are able to achieve stronger customer presence through the positive customer judgments. This will strengthen their competitive positioning, but also their long-term client retention. The second conclusion, which is the brand equity, the primary analysis indicates that the customer's feeling towards the AdStudy can be significantly impacted by personal influences such as trust, confidence, and security in the brand. For the AdStudy, the brand feelings are significantly important, as not only it does how customers feel the brand, but also whether the previous customer will choose to continue to use AdStudy service. The SWOT analysis illustrates a weakness in that smaller agencies such as AdStudy often face a lower brand awareness in comparison to more well-established brands. These weaknesses may mean AdStudy needs to prioritize becoming more recognizable and focusing on the brand image. So for the last conclusion, engaging with financial brokers, it has identified in the SWOT analysis the niche market, the limited customer base, and intense competition of the finance broker pose a threat to AdStudy. This may present as threats as competitors to AdStudy may have a stronger presence of expertise and customer loyalty, meaning that the AdStudy will be required to focus on prioritizing their marketing towards this sector. Strengthening ad study, digital visibility, and trust have been emphasized as important factors to ad study success to gain traction in the finance industry. As shown in the brand resilience pyramid, the customer judgments can positively improve by perceiving themselves as having a competitive edge, driving consumers to choose ad study over the competitors.
Ad studies should adopt a social media distribution strategy in order to strengthen brand awareness and client acquisition across business to business and consumer focused markets. Expanding ad studies focused towards high growth platforms such as TikTok would further increase audience reach. Ad study currently effectively manages advertising campaigns across Instagram, LinkedIn, and Meta platforms, similar to other advertising businesses. Another point of parity includes their consistent branding and messaging across all platforms. A point of difference, however, is their founder-led branding, which creates a more personalized and relationship-focused branding, appearing to consumers as a company which fosters more flexibility and adaptability, along with a more personal client communication, which positions ad study as preferable to larger companies. Business-based platforms such as LinkedIn should be prioritized for business-to-business networking, professional brand positioning, and fostering a polished relationship with consumers. Short-form, high-engagement content should be utilized on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to increase visibility and audience interaction. In order to maintain a consistent brand image, ad study should adapt content formats to suit each algorithm, which means their branding, messaging, and visual identity. Although the same messaging should be consistent, vertical short-form content should be prioritized for TikTok and Reels, whereas LinkedIn content should remain more professional and insight-driven. The 5-3-2 social media model should be implemented by ad study in order to balance promotional, educational, and educating content to build a consumer base and long-term engagement. Ad study should continuously monitor key performance indicators and return on ad spend to evaluate branding effectiveness. Underperforming strategies should be revised or discontinued, whereas high-performing campaigns should receive increased investment. Ad studies should remain adaptable to changing algorithms, constantly changing trends to ensure they maintain their long-term competitiveness within the digital advertising industry.
For the brand positioning and competitive differentiation, a study should position itself as a trusted, innovative, and relationship-focused digital marketing agents, especially in the finance industry. The brand should focus on the personalized marketing strategies, measurable business growth, and long-term consumer relationships in order to differentiate itself from larger and less personalized competitors. A study share several similarities with competing digital marketing agents within the Australia market. Similar to competitors such as Accenture and WPP, a study provides multi-platform digital advertising surveys, AI-powered analytics, and performance tracking strategies to support consumer growth and online visibility. However, a study can differentiate itself through its small agent structure, personalized surveys, and adaptable marketing strategies, especially towards to finance professional and small business. Founder-led branding, educational content, and community-focused partnership can further stronger credibility, trust, and long-term consumer relationships. This strategy helps position ad study as a more personalized and relationship-driven alternative within the highly competitive digital marketing industry. For the brand equity and secondary brand associations, a study should strengthen its brand equity through secondary brand associations in order to improve trust, credibility, and long-term brand recognition with the finance industry. Firstly, founder-led branding through LinkedIn and TikTok content can help position a study as experienced and trustworthy digital marketing agents. This can strengthen associations with experience, reliability, and professionalism. Secondly, collaborating with Australia's small business and community events can strengthen aesthetic community-focused branding and emotional consumer connection, and also improving consumer trust and loyalty. Additionally, promoting AI-powered advertising tools and analytics can position aesthetic as innovative, modern, and future-focused, improving differentiation and perceived quality within the market. Finally, educational workshop, webinars, and marketing tips, micro-influencer collaborations can strengthen social proof, credibility, and consumer loyalty, so that increasing overall brand awareness and long-term engagement.
AdStudy should position itself as a specialized digital marketing partner for mortgage and finance brokers, helping them generate ethical, high-quality leads and measurable business growth. To support this positioning, we need to look at AdStudy's point of parity. Like other digital marketing agencies, AdStudy offers courses services such as paid advertising, website development, and lead generation. These services meet the market expectations of brokers looking for professional marketing support. AdStudy's key point of difference is its personalized expertise for mortgage and finance brokers. By offering relevant industry case studies, personalized messaging for brokers, and a free digital marketing consultation, the company reduces perceived risk and shows a clear understanding of this specialized market. Mortgage and finance brokers represent an attractive target segment. The Mortgage and Finance Association of Australia reports that brokers settled 74.6% of all new residential home loans in the September 2024 quarter. This highlights the importance and size of the brokers channel in the Australian lending market. To target this segment, AdStudy should develop a dedicated web page for mortgage and finance brokers, publish relevant case studies and customer feedback, and offer a free digital marketing consultation. According to Cato 2020, strong brands build equity by establishing credibility and delivering meaningful points of difference. These strategies help brokers see AdStudy's expertise before deciding to work with the company. This recommendation is highly feasible, as it builds on AdStudy's existing strength in digital advertising, website development, and lead generation. The success of this strategy can be measured through key performance indicators, such as consultation bookings, qualified broker leads, and conversion rates. By positioning itself as a specialized partner for mortgage and finance broker, AdStudy can strengthen credibility and build long-term brand equity.